Today, we are reviewing the MALACASA Stoneware Quiche and Tart Pan. And if you like those kinds of things, please be sure to stay right there because you won't be disappointed. This is a lovely tart or quiche dish. You could even prepare an apple pie in this particular plate. And this plate is by MALACASA. It is microwave safe. It is clean and oven safe up to about 464 degrees Fahrenheit. This is porcelain and it is dishwasher safe. And so we're going to prepare something very delicious in this plate. And you will see just how beautiful it's going to look. I love the marbling of this particular dish. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that beautiful gray and white. And the surface of it releases easily from food. You can get your food right out. And it does a very good job of letting that go. Don't think that this beautiful MALACASA quiche and tart pan is only for pies. It is for serving as well. So you will see that I have used it as a served dish, and it's very attractive on my buffet, as well as you can use it nightly on your dinner table. Thank you for watching today's review of the MALACASA Stoneware Quiche and Tart Pan.